know if you'll let me post this or not. This is really crazy. We woke up to rain. We never once expected that today. And so we had to run out here and check on everything, make sure everything was closed and safe. Whew. But we're thankful for the rain, and we're thankful that God let us get everything closed before the rain came.
We pray for peace.
Yeah. That's what we woke up
For
to.
family,
Look at it over here.
protection while we sleep. We pray for healing.